Welcome back to our channel, Aspiring Entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of starting a business. If you've ever dreamed of being your own boss and turning your passion into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing the 10 essential steps you need to know to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. So, let's get started. Step 1. Identify your business idea. The first thing you need is a great business concept that solves a problem or fulfills a need in the market. Take some time to brainstorm and research to ensure there's a demand for your product or service. Step 2. Conduct market research. Understand your target audience, competition, and industry trends. This knowledge will help you fine-tune your idea, define your unique selling proposition, and position your business for success. Step 3. Create a business plan. A business plan is like a roadmap for your entrepreneurial journey. It outlines your goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and more. A solid plan keeps you focused and impresses potential investors or lenders. Step 4. Secure funding. Evaluate your financial needs and explore funding options such as personal savings, loans, grants, or seeking investors. Make sure to create a budget that accounts for the capital required to start and sustain your business. Step 5. Choose a legal structure. Decide on the legal entity that suits your business, like a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or LLC. Consider factors such as liability, taxes, and ownership structure when making this important decision. Step 6. Register your business. Ensure you comply with the legal requirements of your location. Register your business name and obtain the necessary permits and licenses. It's crucial to start off on the right foot with the authorities. Step 7. Set up your infrastructure. Establish your physical or virtual office, purchase the necessary equipment, and set up essential systems like accounting, inventory management, and communication tools. You may also need to consider hiring employees or contractors if it aligns with your business model. Step 8. Develop your brand. Create a strong brand identity with a memorable name, logo, website, and marketing materials. Craft a compelling brand message that resonates with your target audience and sets you apart from the competition. Step 9. Implement marketing strategies. Create a comprehensive marketing plan that includes both online and offline strategies. Utilize social media, content marketing, SEO, advertising, and networking to raise awareness, attract customers, and grow your business. Finally, Step 10. Launch your business. Execute your marketing plan and officially introduce your business to the world. Monitor your progress, make necessary adjustments along the way, and stay adaptable as you navigate the exciting journey of entrepreneurship. And there you have it, folks. The 10 crucial steps for starting your own business. Remember, starting a business takes dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. As always, thank you for watching, and best of luck on your